The High Priestess Tarot card explained. The High Priestess is one of the most enigmatic cards in the tarot deck, known for its deep symbolism and connection to intuition and the subconscious mind. Whether you are a seasoned tarot reader or just beginning to explore the mystical world of tarot, understanding the High Priestess can add a profound layer of meaning to your readings. Here we dive deeper into the rich symbolism, interpretation, and influence of the High Priestess in various aspects of life. The symbolism behind the High Priestess Tarot card. The High Priestess card is rich with imagery that offers profound insights into its meanings. She is typically depicted as a sincere woman seated between two pillars marked with the letters B and J, representing Boaz and Jachin from Solomon's Temple, which symbolize balance and duality. She holds a scroll often inscribed with the word Torah, symbolizing hidden knowledge and divine law. Her presence between these pillars highlights her role as a mediator between the conscious and subconscious realms. At her feet, the crescent moon signifies intuition, mystery, and the cycles of life, reinforcing the importance of inner knowing. The backdrop of pomegranates hints at fertility, abundance, and the secrets of the natural world, suggesting a connection to deeper, often hidden truths. The veil behind her, adorned with images of palm trees and pomegranates, represents the thin barrier between the known and the unknown, encouraging seekers to look beyond the obvious. The High Priestess's calm demeanor and mystical surroundings emphasize her role as a keeper of secrets and a guide to one's inner self. Each element on the card invites reflection on the hidden aspects of life and the power of intuition, urging us to delve deeper into our own subconscious for answers and wisdom. The High Priestess in the Major Arcana. As the second card in the Major Arcana, the High Priestess is a symbol of the feminine archetype of wisdom, mystery, and intuition. Following the active, outward energy of the magician, she represents the internal, reflective counterpart. Her position emphasizes the need for inner exploration before taking external action. The High Priestess serves as a gatekeeper to the hidden realms of the subconscious. She invites us to explore the depths of our inner world, urging a balance between conscious thought and intuitive insight. Her presence in the tarot deck highlights the importance of pausing to listen to our inner voice and trust our gut feelings. In the journey through the Major Arcana, the High Priestess teaches that knowledge is not only about what is seen and known, but also about the hidden and mysterious. Her role is to remind us that true wisdom often lies beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered through introspection and meditation. The High Priestess's serene and contemplative nature encourages us to seek the answers within, reinforcing the idea that sometimes the most profound insights come from a place of stillness and quiet. Her card is a powerful invitation to delve deeper into our own psychic and intuitive abilities, enriching our understanding of both ourselves and the world around us. Interpreting the High Priestess in a tarot reading. When the High Priestess graces your tarot reading, it serves as an invitation to delve into the realms of intuition and inner wisdom. Often her appearance signals that there are layers to a situation that are not immediately visible, prompting a deeper investigation. This card encourages you to rely on your gut feelings and inner voice to uncover hidden truths and navigate through ambiguity. The High Priestess also suggests a period of introspection where contemplation and patience are required. It's a time to be observant rather than active, allowing insights to emerge naturally rather than forcing outcomes. If faced with a challenging decision or uncertain circumstances, the High Priestess advises stepping back and allowing your subconscious to guide you toward clarity. In some scenarios, the High Priestess may indicate that secrets are at play or that important information has yet to come to light. She prompts you to be discerning and mindful of what lies beneath the surface, whether in personal relationships or professional settings or internal struggles. This card's presence can also be a reminder to maintain discretion and keep certain matters private until the time is right for revelation. The High Priestess and Intuition. The High Priestess embodies the essence of intuition, urging us to trust our inner voice and innate wisdom. She guides us to look beyond the surface, recognizing that not all truths are immediately visible. When she appears, it's a call to listen to your gut feelings and allow your subconscious mind to provide insights. This card often appears when there's a need to reflect and observe rather than take immediate action. It's a reminder that true understanding often comes from within, requiring patience and a calm mind. Engaging in practices like meditation, journaling, or dream analysis can help you tap into your intuitive abilities and uncover hidden truths. The High Priestess also emphasizes the importance of psychic development and spiritual exploration. She invites you to pay attention to symbols, dreams, and synchronicities that might reveal deeper meanings. By fostering a connection with your intuitive self, you can navigate life's complexities with greater clarity and confidence. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can deepen your understanding of the world and yourself, enhancing your ability to make informed decisions based on your inner wisdom rather than external pressures. The High Priestess's presence is a powerful nudge to embrace and trust your intuitive insights, leading to more profound personal and spiritual growth. The High Priestess in love and relationships. In love and relationship readings, the High Priestess often suggests a deeper level of understanding and introspection is required within a partnership. She encourages you to look beyond the surface and explore the underlying emotions and dynamics at play. This card can indicate a period where intuition and inner wisdom should guide your interactions and decisions in your relationship. If you're single or seeking a new romantic connection, the High Priestess advises you to trust your instincts and to be open to subtle signs and feelings. If you're single or seeking a new romantic connection, the High Priestess advises you to trust your instincts and be open to subtle signs and feelings. She hints that the next relationship might be with someone who has a spiritual depth or possesses a mysterious quality. It's essential to listen to your inner voice to discern the true intentions and feelings of potential partners. The High Priestess also highlights the importance of maintaining privacy and discretion in matters of the heart. Certain feelings and thoughts might need to be kept confidential until the right moment for disclosure. By fostering a deeper connection with your intuitive self, you can navigate the complexities of love and relationships with greater clarity and emotional insight. The High Priestess in career and finances. In the realm of career and finances, the High Priestess signifies the importance of trusting your inner guidance and intuition. When this card appears, it may suggest that you should pause and reflect before making any major professional or financial decisions. It's a time to gather all necessary information and delve deeper into understanding the nuances of your situation rather than rushing into action. You might find that there are hidden factors influencing your work environment or financial status that require careful contemplation. The High Priestess encourages you to pay attention to subtle cues and gut feelings that could reveal important insights. This could be an excellent period for seeking additional knowledge or skills that can provide a clearer path forward in your career. In financial matters, the High Priestess advises against making hasty investments or spending decisions. Instead, she suggests a more thoughtful approach, weighing the pros and cons thoroughly. It might also be beneficial to keep some financial plans or ideas private until you're sure of your direction. This card often nudges you towards maintaining discretion and prudence in your professional and financial life. By tapping into your intuitive abilities, you can uncover hidden opportunities or pitfalls, allowing you to navigate your career and financial landscape with greater awareness and confidence. Connecting with the High Priestess in daily life. Connecting with the High Priestess in your daily life involves fostering practices that align with her energy of introspection and intuition. Start by creating a sacred space where you can meditate or engage in quiet contemplation. This can help you tune into your inner voice and the subtle messages from your subconscious. Keeping a dream journal is another powerful way to capture the insights and symbols that emerge during sleep, providing valuable guidance for your waking life. Engage in activities that promote mindfulness and creativity, such as yoga, painting, or writing. These pursuits can open channels to your intuitive self, allowing you to access deeper layers of understanding. Paying attention to synchronicities and the symbolism in your daily life can also enhance your connection with the High Priestess's energy, helping you to see beyond the obvious. Integrate these practices into your routine to cultivate a heightened sense of awareness and inner wisdom. Trusting and acting upon these intuitive insights can lead to more informed decisions and a richer, more nuanced experience of life. Embrace the High Priestess's teachings and allow her guidance to illuminate your path with clarity and depth.